Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Student once more, and for another lecture of the science I am here, and in previous lecture we solved the question and answer that are given on page number 15. Short question and answers are going on, and some remaining questions we solve today, and this is our writing work. There is no need of any type of explanation for more further, and here the very little bit concept and very basic and very useful information in these short questions you will memorize very well. So mind it and keep in mind that these questions are very important, and this is our first unit, and this information is will be forever for you. So here are the remaining question and answer you will write and memorize. Also I will just read for your concept and for the writing guidance, and there is no need for the explanation of these answer. Just I will read the answer and you will understand what type of so question and answers. The question is, who invented the pinhole camera? Answer, Ibnul Haytham. Yeah, Ibnul Haytham. You can read both. Invented the pinhole camera. Another question, who invented telescope? Answer, Galileo was a scientist who invented telescope. And who presented the laws of motion? Who presented the laws of motion? Answer, Isaac Newton presented the laws of motion. Student, do you know the Isaac Newton is known as also the father of physics? Isaac Newton is known as also the father of physics, and he gave the laws of motion. And little bit information about the Sir Isaac Newton is given in your book. What type of information? Newton's mother wanted Isaac Newton to become a farmer. But Isaac had not interest in the farming exams and failed. He was interested in the nature of the things and the science. He became one of the top scientists of the human history. This was Mr. Isaac Newton, Sir Isaac Newton. And other question, how does scientist solve a problem? Answer, a scientist uses scientific method to solve a problem. And the last question is, where does a scientist work safely? Answer, a scientist can work safely in a science laboratory. You will note down this question, and this is the short question exercise is now completed. Now it's turn for another exercise. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will continue and other exercise, dear student.